Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. If you are watching this video, it means that the video has been successful and our time has worked. If our many attempts are not successful, we delete them. If they are successful, we upload them to YouTube for you to watch. We will repair this fault free of charge without the cost of parts. How? Let's watch together. Our channel is a repair channel. If you write the problem of your faulty electronic devices in the comments, I can show you the most affordable solution as soon as possible.
We are trying to charge our watch from the USB output of our computer as usual, and the result is unsuccessful on the first try, as you can see.
We try to open our watch again, but we couldn't. We try other methods. I took this video as the second step for our viewers who could not get results from this method. Our friends who did not get results again, write in the comments, I can help. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. Now we will try again with 1500 amp phone adapter. We try to open our watch again, but we couldn't. We try other methods. Now we will try our other method, repair phase. Yes, friends, computer 1000 amp charger, 1500 amp charger, we will try with our quick charge, and the next step will surprise you.
Instead of charging from the computer USB output, we will use a high amp phone adapter to shock our battery. It is not a very recommended thing, but I would like to try it instead of throwing my watch in the trash.
We provide this secure service to you thanks to YouTube. Yes friends, the good news is, as you can see, the process we applied was successful and our device turned on. If this is not the solution, I am waiting for your brand and model information in the comments for my other step suggestions. Our expert team will answer your questions in a few minutes. Now that the shock is done, our device starts to work without any problems, no matter what adapter we charge it with and what amperage value.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
Now we try to charge our device from the computer's USB output. Yes friends, the good news is, as you can see, the process we applied was successful and our device turned on. You can write your problems about all other devices you want to get information from in the comments. Our expert staff is waiting for you to answer your questions. Look how good the repair of this device has been, and you can see how stable it works. We will repair this device in the same way. Please watch carefully. As you can see in this video, sometimes we can make our devices run very stable and free with just a small reset.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand, model, printer, computer, scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.